my friends. I'm back with another video today after a couple months of not filming anything. It's gonna be a short video, but this is just me wanting to tell you guys, like, I'm gonna be posting a lot more now. I'm gonna come up with some ideas for videos. I've been wanting to do this YouTube thing for a while now, but I've been lagging on it. Now I have no excuse. Before I was like, I don't have a laptop to edit, but now I do, so I can actually motivate myself to make videos for you guys. For whoever's watching, like, thank you for clicking on this video, first of all, and watching my last video. You could be watching any other video right now, but you're here, so just want to say thank you. Today, it's gonna be a very short video, just me washing my car. Okay, I was gonna go vacuum it, like at the little places where you just put the coins in, but I was like, you know what, like, no, I'll just run it through the washer. And I was gonna try to finesse, you know, and just like not run it through the washer and just vacuum it, but no, I don't want to do all that. So I'm just gonna run it through the washer again, even though I already washed it. I know defeats the purpose, but I needed to vacuum it. So I'm gonna go to the mall, get some shoes for work because I don't have any comfortable shoes for work, so I gotta get some. And if I'm on YouTube, I want to watch something that's entertaining. I don't want to watch something just boring. Like, probably me just talking right now is very boring, but this is my first like official kind of video. You guys a good thorough intro, so we can hop into the video. car. Little change in plans though. I got stuck in really bad traffic. Like, my drive turned into an hour drive when it should have been like a 25-minute drive. I definitely won't make it to pick up some shoes today, but I'll try still. But they close like in an hour, and there's probably gonna be traffic back too, so I probably won't make it. But thank you guys for watching and clicking on this video. I hope you enjoyed this little short video. I know it wasn't a lot of content, but I will be coming out with a lot more in the following weeks. I'll be coming out with a lot more. Peace and love always. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.